All right, our activity today is going to be to insert a toolbox. In order to do that, we will use the toolbar. But before we use the toolbar, let's go ahead and get our Google slide a little bit larger. We need to zoom into that Google slide so that we can see it. That we also do in the toolbar. File, Edit, View. Under View, you click on Zoom, then you click on 50%. You can click on the other ones on your own to see what those do. Once you're at the Zoom, we need to go ahead and grab a text box. The text box is on the second toolbar below the File, Edit, View toolbar. So you'll see two curved arrows and a print. You'll see a quick zoom out, and then you'll see an arrow and then a box with the T in it. And that's what we're going to click on. And that is going to change your mouse from the pointer to a plus sign. You're going to bring that plus sign over to where you see your turn. You will hold down and then pull across so that you see a rectangle forming. Now you see this blue highlighted box, and it has this blinking cursor in it. It's a blinking line. It's called the cursor. If you didn't see that, then you wouldn't be able to type letters into that text box. You need to double click inside the highlighted box for the text box in order to type what you need. Okay, we are going to type my name is Miss. You're going to type your name. I'm going to type mine. And mine is Miss Gigi. My name is Miss Gigi. Now I'm going to double click so that all of the text is highlighted, and I want to change the font. So we can change the font name to be a different style. And that again is in the toolbar, the second toolbar. You will see in your toolbar where it says Arial, A-R-I-A-L. We are going to click on the arrow to open up more options, and you will then see more font styles. This will change the style of the font. The font that we are looking for is Impact. We're going to go ahead and click on Impact. The style of the font has changed on the screen. Now we're going to change the font size to a larger size, to 24. Right next to where we changed the font style, we are going to see that there is a number. Yours might be different than mine. Mine says 14. I'm going to click the plus on there to get to 24. You could have also double clicked inside and then just typed in 2 and 4 for 24. Now the last thing I want to do is align the text to the center. That means that I want it all to be in the center. Right now it is all aligning towards the left side. So I'm going to highlight the box again, and now this time I'm going to get my cursor to the end of Gigi. See it blinking? Yours will be at the end of your name. And then I'm going to hold down and pull across so that I highlight it again. And once we're on there, we are going to go ahead and find the align. The align is on the second toolbar. You scroll over. Now over on yours, you might see somewhere around this area 3 dots. And if you see those 3 dots, you will need to click on those to open up more options. I happen to have my align right here at the end of my toolbar. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. There's 4 lines. I'm going to click on it. That's the align. But I want the center. So right now there's the left and there's the center. You can click on the other ones on your own time to see what they do. So there you have it. We have our our first text box. It's aligned, it has that font impact, and it has the size 24. I hope you enjoyed your first activity.